Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the auto download feature in the Signal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the chats icon down below in the left side corner and then click on your initials in the upper left corner of the screen. Then click on settings. Now you should scroll down to data usage. Click on it. And here you have the auto download section. You can set auto download to photos. You can disable it or set it when you are connected to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular. You can do the same for videos, audio and documents as well. But if you want to, you can reset the auto download settings. As you can see, voice messages, view once media and stickers are always auto downloaded. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.